What if I tell you this scooter looks sporty like a bike, rides smooth like a premium machine, and still gives you amazing mileage? This is not Activa, this is something sharper, smarter, and more stylish. Today on SG Riders, we are revealing the real truth about the Hero Maestro Edge 110 cubic centimeters, so don't blink, because this scooter might surprise you.
The Maestro Edge
Welcome back to
125
SG
really
Riders
stands out
Red
with
Heart,
this vibrant cyan
your
blue.
one-stop
It handles
destination for
beautifully in
honest
the
bike
city.
and scooter
What's the mileage
reviews.
like on this one?
In today's detailed video, we are talking about one of the most stylish and underrated scooters in the 110 cubic centimeters segment. The Hero Maestro Edge 110 cubic centimeters. If you are confused between Activa, Dio, or Maestro, then watch this video till the end, because your decision will become very clear. Motorcycle. What is Hero Maestro
The
Edge
Maestro Edge
110cc?
125 really stands out
The
with this
Hero
vibrant
Maestro
cyan
Edge
blue.
110
It
cubic
handles
centimeters
beautifully in
is
the
a
city.
sporty automatic
mileage
scooter
like on this
designed
one?
for young riders, daily commuters, and those who want style with practicality. This scooter is known for sharp design, lightweight body, smooth performance, trusted Hero engine. It looks aggressive, but it is built for everyday comfort. Gear, engine and performance details. Hero Maestro
new
Edge
TFT
comes with a
display handles navigation and
110.9
calls,
cubic
And
centimeters
check out the
air-cooled,
under-seat storage,
single-cylinder
plenty of room
engine.
for a helmet and a
Engine
built-in
specs.
organizer.
Engine capacity, 110.9 cubic centimeters. Power output, 8.02 horsepower. Torque, 8.7 Newton meters. Fuel system, fuel injection. Gearbox, automatic CVT. This engine is tuned for quick pickup, especially useful in city traffic. Throttle response feels smooth, and vibrations are very minimal. Perfect for city rides,
The new
Office
TFT display
commute.
offers seamless connectivity.
daily use,
And look at this massive
fuel pump
under-seat
mileage,
storage.
real-world
Easily fits your
numbers.
helmet and more.
Mileage is always important, and Maestro Edge performs well here. Mileage figures. Claimed mileage, 55 to 60 km/L. City mileage, 45 to 50 km/L. Highway mileage, 50 plus km/L. With proper riding, this scooter gives excellent fuel efficiency for a sporty scooter.
Featuring
Brain
best-in-class
features,
suspension and
smart
grip,
and modern.
the Maestro Edge
Hero
125
has packed Maestro
handles
Edge
every
with
turn
useful
with
and modern
confidence.
features.
Introducing the Hero
Key
Maestro
features.
Edge 125,
Fully
featuring
digital speedometer,
revolutionary i3S technology
Bluetooth
and
connectivity,
incredible
XTC
mileage.
variant.
Introducing the new
Call
Hero
and
Maestro
SMS
Edge
alerts.
125 with a powerful
Turn-by-turn
engine and
navigation.
unmatched mileage. It's
USB
designed to
mobile
perform.
charging. External fuel filling. LED headlamp. Side stand indicator. Service
The new
reminder.
Maestro Edge really stands
These
out with
features
this
make
digital
Maestro
display
Edge
and
feel
the powerful
premium and tech-loaded.
125cc engine.
Chair
Wow,
comfort
the
and
colors are
ride
amazing
quality.
too.
Despite its sporty look, comfort is very good. Comfort highlights. Wide seat. Good
The Maestro
cushioning.
Edge 125 truly is a
Low
highlight
seat
in this
height.
segment. Just look at the brightness
Lightweight
of these
body.
new LED headlights, and the
Telescopic
storage space
front
under here is
suspension.
simply unmatched.
Even new riders will feel confident riding this scooter. Handling is light, sharp, and very easy in traffic.
Welcome
Tires,
to the review
brakes
of
and
the Maestro
safety.
Edge 125.
Safety is simple but
The sharp
reliable.
styling and bright LED
Front
headlamp
brake,
really stand
drum
out.
slash disc, variant dependent. Rear brake, drum. Braking system, integrated braking system,
Style
IBS.
that cuts through the
Tires,
noise.
tubeless.
The new Maestro
Wheels,
Edge
12-inch alloy
125.
wheels. The bigger wheels give better
The new
stability
TFT
compared to
display
many
offers seamless
scooters.
connectivity. And
Package
look at this
storage and
massive
practical
under-seat
use.
storage. Easily fits
Maestro
your helmet
Edge is
and
very
more.
practical.
Featuring
Under-seat
best-in-class
storage for
suspension and
helmet.
grip, the Maestro
Front hook
Edge
for bags.
125 handles every
Flat
turn
footboard
with
for daily
confidence.
use. Perfect for city lifestyle and daily errands. Money bag price, value for money. Expected price, India. Ex-showroom, 85,000 to 95,000 Indian rupees. For the design, features, and hero reliability, the price feels reasonable and competitive. Thumbs up pros, why you should buy it. Sporty and aggressive design. Lightweight and easy handling. Good mileage.
Introducing
Trusted
the Hero
Hero
Maestro
engine.
Edge 125.
Smart features.
Featuring revolutionary
Low
i3S
maintenance.
technology and incredible
Thumbs down
mileage.
cons. What could be better? Not very powerful for highways. Rear disc brake missing. Design may not suit
Introducing
elders.
the new Hero Maestro
VS
Edge
button, you should buy
125
Hero Maestro
with a
Edge.
powerful engine and
This
unmatched
scooter is
mileage.
perfect
It's
for
designed to perform.
The new
young
Maestro
riders,
Edge really stands out with
college
this digital
students,
display and the powerful
office
125cc engine.
Riders
the
who want
colors are
style
amazing
plus
too.
mileage. If you want a boring looking scooter, skip this. If you want style with sense, this is for you. Direct hit final
Experience the new
verdict.
Hero
SG
Maestro
Riders
Edge
opinion.
125.
On
With
SG
unparalleled
Riders,
engine
we feel that
performance and
Hero Maestro
exceptional
Edge
mileage.
110 cubic
Welcome to
centimeters
the
is one of
review
the best sporty
Maestro
scooters
Edge
in its segment.
125.
It
The
looks
sharp
sharp
styling and bright LED
rides
headlamps
smooth,
really stand out.
Style
and delivers
that cuts
everyday
through the
practicality.
noise. The new
A great
Maestro
choice for
Edge
those who want something different from the
125.
crowd. Bell outro, call to action. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and
The Maestro Edge 125
subscribe
truly
to
is a
SG
highlight of
Riders.
this segment. Just look at the brightness
Comment
of
below,
these new LED
would you
headlights,
choose
and the
Maestro
storage
Edge
space
or
under here
Activa?
is simply unmatched.
welcome
to the full
again,
highlight review
and
of the
see
Hero
you in the
Maestro
next
Edge
video.
125. With its stunning glossy chan finish and sharp LED headlight, it truly stands out in the segment.